to focus on business now as oil prices continue to fall. Business editor Mike Eppel joins us now. Mike, good morning.
Well, yeah, good morning. Below $45 a barrel at last check, Leah. The price for oil continuing to tumble this morning. It was down 9.5% last week, down 4.5% Friday alone, and this morning down another 1.5%. The talking point for oil this morning is still what the International Energy Agency had to say last week, that the U.S. oversupply is still to the point where they're running out of storage capacity in the major storage hubs in the U.S. market. Now, some say that's overblown to some extent, but the bearish investors are still, the momentum is still to the downside for oil, even though OPEC said today that further out this year, it figures that U.S. production will drop, and they are not seeing as much of an oversupply in the market. But again, this morning, price for oil down, and the Western Canada Select price starting the week close to $30 per barrel U.S. How does this all play out to the federal government and the upcoming budget expected sometime next month? That's a big question mark still, and the provincial economy as well. We've seen the Canadian dollar drop in lockstep with oil this morning. It hit a fresh 6-year low, down to about 78.2 cents U.S. The exchange rate, if you're buying U.S. dollars now, $1.28 plus all of the service charges at the big banks. Equity markets off to a good start. Near triple-digit rally for the Dow Jones right off the bat this morning. For stocks in Germany, record high. China's market, 5-year high. A lot of economic stimulus efforts by the European Central Bank. U.S. Central Bank this week meets on interest rate policy. They could actually signal increasing interest rates sometime later this year. The buying binge continues in the pharmaceutical industry. Valiant Pharmaceuticals of Canada, big player here. It's buying out Salix Pharma in a deal worth $15 billion. Valiant's a stock to watch the TSX today. It's been a good performer. And BlackBerry trying again in the tablet market. Remember the playbook came out a few years back, didn't really score with consumers? Well, they've teamed up with Samsung and IBM for a new secure tablet device aimed at corporate and government customers. BlackBerry also unveiling over the weekend a Porsche-designed smartphone. It comes with a graphite case and some leather trim and assorted other factors. It's a pretty cool-looking device. Price tag, though, north of $2,000. BlackBerry shares not doing much in response. Leah, back to you.
Thanks so much, Mike. That is business editor Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.